Today we are going to make some fusion recipe, spicy chicken tikka shawarma. For this recipe, we cut the chicken in slices form, then added some spices, lemon, ginger garlic paste, leave it for 1 hour. For garlic mayo sauce, we take some garlic, lemon, mayonnaise, yogurt, some red chilies dipped in vinegar, custard, and then add in the sauce. Shallow fry the marinated chicken. For shawarma, take tortilla wrap, add some lettuce, chicken, onions, cucumber, cilantro, jalapeno, and garlic mayo sauce. Grilled it. Here it is, spicy chicken tikka shawarma with fries and garlic mayo sauce. Enjoy it with your family and don't forget to give me the feedback.